Sunday, November 24th.
What's that? Where's the light? What? Tara! Oh, mochi donut. Hindi ko makita lahat.
Strawberry, raspberry funnel cake, and mango.
Oh, there's a mango, hey? Wow, $8 ang isa? Is that $25 something?
3 for $10, but $4.30 for one, so I got the 3 for $10 instead.
Oh, it's on sale. Good.
I have
Mahal pa rin.
I have all of them so we can eat it all.
What? What? Show me.
All of it. So...
Grabe.
Here at home.
Ang mahal ng pagkain mo.
That's $10?
Mochi donut is expensive.
Yeah,
Okay.
sugar.
Okay.
Doesn't make sense.
Oh, hindi ako nakakita ng gayon for a long time. To be.
Relaxing pop melodies from the 90s and 2000s. Mosaic.
So today we're gonna be eating the mochi donut. Mommy, I got when I was going on my break, there was this guy who I literally just stepped like a good 5 feet out of the store. And then this old guy comes up to me. He's like, I thought it was just like for directions or somewhere. And he was like, hey, excuse me. And I'm like, yeah, what's up? And he's like, I just wanted to say that I think you're so beautiful and that you're so gorgeous. And
Kasi hindi siya nakakita ng Asian.
and then I would like to take you out sometime. And I'm like,
What?
sir?
No.
I'm 17. And then he's like, oh, you are? I'm sorry. And my name is Carlos. And he tried, he put his hand out like this. He was like, and I'm like, I put my hand up, but I was hesitant because you don't know what people do these days. You know, he probably laced his hand or something. And then I was like, and he's
That's
like,
weird.
oh, you don't shake hand. And I'm like, and he's like, you do konnichiwa? And I was like, what? Like, that's a little racist, sir. And then I was like, yeah, no. He's
That's
like,
random.
I was like, yeah, have a good day. And then he was like, okay. And then he just left. But he looked like he was 25 to 35, mommy.
25 to
I
35?
couldn't tell. He looked older, though. Like, he looked like dad.
It's 50.
No, he looked 30 to 40.
Ewan
so
ko, nahilo
weird.
ako sa'yo.
So weird. I always get that. It's like, I'm not wearing
Be careful
makeup.
of that. Because people sometimes
That was
is
my
pretending. I thought you were gonna eat your
Hey
corn.
guys. Hey guys. How come you have better lighting than me?
This phone is always nice. It used to, I don't know, I feel like it gotten
Ow.
blurry. I don't know.
Let me take this off.
We're inside the car, folks. That's why it's kind of dark. We're waiting for Dad. He's gonna buy his lemon.
He's gonna get clothes too.
No, not in Walmart. If we go Sam's Club
Hey
and
guys,
Costco,
so
that's where he
I
get
got
his
the
sweater,
mochi
his
nut. I got
shoes,
the mochi nut for
his
my
socks,
mom
and everything.
And Dad and me. We got the strawberry, raspberry funnel cake, and mango. Ooh.
The heck?
And we're gonna cut it all in half. Should I eat it here at home?
Here now.
Okay.
Dito ka na.
So.
Kailan ka pa kakain? Gabing-gabi na.
So.
So, okay. She said she's gonna eat her mochi. Her mochi.
Guys, so we got the
That's mango. And what's this? Raspberry?
mochi donut. No, that's okay. So that's mango. Raspberry funnel cake. And
Oh.
strawberry with pocky and chocolate drizzle.
Oh, wow. Malay ko kung paano ko pa matandaan ang mga pangalan ng mga tong klaseng
hungry.
donut
Let's
na
eat it
to.
already.
Eh, paano hindi mahal kasi pati yung mga lalagyan niya nabayaran to. Nabayaran lahat. Oh, see? more than just a
Careful!
donut.
The box!
Oh, may bugs dyan?
Why? Yes, the box.
Oh, kala ko the bugs. I was like, what? How do you even cut it if you don't even have any utensils?
You just break
Mia,
it. You
Iha.
just break it. See?
Oh,
Look.
by your hand, of course. Okay. Wow.
See?
Wow, ang mahal na donut. Mga tao na talaga ngayon. Mochi donut
Oh, can you
from
keep
Mall
it
of
open?
America. Yan.
Thank you. Okay.
Hati-hatiin niya kasi hati-hati kami. So, sino magsusundo kay Buboy? Si Kuya?
No, you are.
Ha? Oh, wala naman ang trabaho nun.
Exactly.
Okay.
Kuya said that you have to do it.
Oh, okay. Para magkapagpahinga pa siya. Tayo may
Yeah, but we should. I told them.
Ewan ko
I'm
kay
gonna-
daddy.
I'm gonna
Tapos ihahatid natin siya kay kuya. Kasi he will be in the airport for like 4 p.m. and then we will take him to kuya's. Yeah. And then so that's gonna
4?
be 5 p.m.
Why did
when
you
we
say
get there.
4 p.m.?
It's 3 something, right?
No, it's 2.
I don't know then.
Okay, look. So,
Okay. Ang ingay
Wait.
ng mga tao. Sige, kumain ka na.
wait, I gotta make it pretty.
Kailan pa naging pretty?
It is pretty.
2 p.m. siya pipick upin? O natutulog pa si kuya that time? Siyempre magtatrabaho siya ng gabi. Iwan ko kay daddy. Pati si daddy sabi niya si kuya daw ang magpipick up.
We'll see. Look.
Oh, akala ko ba kakain ka na? Oh, hindi pa
Okay,
pala.
you choose your pick. I'm going to.
Ay ako kahit konti lang yung matikman ko, hindi
Okay.
malaki kasi busog ako. Kumain na ako ng aking adubong sitaw at saka sinigang na pork belly. Ay, bakit ka lagi kong sinasabing pork belly? Hindi pork belly.
Okay, guys. So this is what it's looking like right now. So I'm gonna try the mango because I've never tried the mango before.
Yung mango to? I'm good. I don't have to eat a lot because
Eat the rest
I
of
feel
it.
sick.
Eat this cube. Eat it. Oh, eat all of it. All of.
Kay daddy mo na ibigay. Hindi na ako makakain ng mga ganyan. Ayun no, nabali-baliktad ka na. Ano yan? The heck? That's it? Ano yun? Bakit may oras?
1 minute.
Oh.
The strawberry is really good though. This is my go-to.
I can try a little bit. 1 bite. That's all that I can take. O, dapat pala nag-con ka. 1 bite lang. Mas gusto ko yung mango.
Really?
Ano yan?
Raspberry funnel cake.
Raspberry funnel cake. Can I try?
Nagustuhan.
That will be my second choice. Hindi masyadong matamis.
What are you talking about? The mango is the sweetest.
Mango is the sweetest.
Kala ko. Oh.
Yung funnel cake ang matabang. Raspberry funnel cake. Yung strawberry. Not my favorite. It doesn't taste like strawberry at all.
Yes, it does.
Oh, I don't know what happened to my taste bud then. Wow. That's all, folks.
I'm going to take. We have to plan out what day we're gonna do ice skating with Boboy. And what
Is
day-
the ice skating open? Did you even check?
Yeah. There's indoor ice skating places all over. And then,
The one over where you guys always go.
and then,
Because at least you're
Mall of
familiar to it
America.
already. Oh, Mall of America.
when will
Maybe
that-
it's better para ma-experience na niya yung sa...
I wanna
Mall of
take him
America.
to the log shoot.
Ah, for sure. Oh gosh.
But what day?